I'm Stafford Briganza, head makeup artist for Lancome India. I have Nina here with me today at the
Hi.
Lancome and Harper's Discover Your Skin Secrets. And Nina is very concerned about different things with her makeup, and what we're going to address today is giving Nina a very natural daytime summer look. As we go along, we're going to talk about different trends, different looks, different tips, so on and so forth. So stay tuned. So you're going to start with a little bit of kohl pencil. Remember when you're doing your kohl pencil to keep it very, very light and just smudge it upwards. So what I'm doing, I'm using my finger to just smudge the kohl pencil to give it a very grayish black base. And what I'm going to do is take like an olive green with my ring finger, just dust off any excess, and I'm going to smudge that all over the eyelid. Open your eyelids and look down. We live in a very tropical climate and everything has a tendency to go sour. So when you smudge your kohl pencil and set it with a little eyeshadow, what happens is like you're setting your foundation with a powder. Why do we do that? So that your foundation stays on throughout the whole day. Same way, what I'm doing is I've smudged the kohl pencil, I've added a little bit of eyeshadow. This will last for the whole day. It's not going to come off. The same palette, we're going to take the lighter green and we're going to just focus it on the center of the eyelid. Blend the corners. And now I'm just going to give a nice little attention to her crease line. Look up for me. And on the lash line, we're going to keep it nice and smudgy. Now we go back and form the kohl pencil line on top. Again, keep it very close to the lash line. Don't make it a thick line. We're just defining the eyes right now. A lot of women in India forget they have a top side to their lashes. So what they do is they just put mascara from the bottom up. Always remember both sides of your lashes have to be coated. So you're just going to curl the top lashes and then we're going to go from bottom to down again. A little bit of foundation to give it a nice clean look under the eyes. So what I'm doing here is I'm just getting rid of all excess eyeshadow that I feel like I don't need around and just using my brush to kind of give it a nice clean look. There's a lot of myth around bronzers with Indian women because they feel bronzers make you look dark. There's nothing wrong with looking dark as long as it's done the right way. I'm going to show you how to use a bronzer, and in this case I'm going to show you a bronzer that is going to help contour her outlines of her face and also how to use bronzer overall. Using an angle brush, I'm just going to gently press upward, defining her jaw line, and then cover under here. And then just a little bit bronzer on the side of the nose to give a optimal illusion of having a very nice thin sharp nose. And we're going to finish off with a little bit of lip gloss, lips together, and smile. And I've chosen a very natural lip gloss. And what it's going to do is give it a nice glossy, juicy shine to the mouth. During the summertime, ladies, always remember, try to avoid lipstick. Keep the lipstick for the evening. Try and carry out the day with a lip gloss. So there you go. My last tip for the day. Keep it soft. Keep it gentle. Do not go wild. Enjoy your summer. And come by and visit us at any Lancome counter.